Look how we changing the game. They gon' remember the name. I'm step over the game, and they tryna study my rhyme book. I'm gonna straight for the brain, and I tell them niggas to line up. They say they want me to change, but I'm just a different rhymer. This time it won't be the same. I just think that is the flame. They gon' remember the name. They gon' remember the name.
Hello there guys, what I have before me is the pinnacle of performance, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. Now this is the CBU bike. Now I know of late we've been getting the CKD units with the price slash and all, but this is a proper CBU, which means the fit and finish, the build quality is top notch without any compromise whatsoever. And this bike also gets a Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, so I can't wait to get my hands on this bike. Belongs to a very good well-wisher and a friend of mine. I've been waiting long and strong for this moment, so let's do the honors of starting the bike up. Make sure the stand is up. Watchful. Seems like we have some traffic here. Wow, that crackling sound is so amazing. This is brutal. When the RPM light flashed, that gave me goosebumps. But this bike is just crazy, scarily fast. Oh my god. You just have to regather your senses, be really alert all the while, because the kind of acceleration, the kind of intensity, and the kind of insanity this bike has on offer is just on a completely different level. That sound. Something to die for. Everything to live for. Oh my god, I'm losing it. I'm loving it. This is brutality on two wheels. Oh my, holy mother of God. Gotta contain myself. That 190 in second gear. My god, sorry, not supposed to use the Lord's name so many times, but I'm hanging on for dear life here. and it's so well equipped. The suspension is so perfectly tuned to give you utmost confidence while you're traveling at the speed of light. In an instant, all it takes is the ring of a throttle. So now let's just head to the parallel road, and the Akrapovic exhaust with the crackling sound serves as the more than ideal background score. Oh my god, what a bike, what a crazy intense bike. So electronics overloaded. I've already done a detailed review of this. Sorry, my gloves are all torn. It's time to replace my gloves. That gives a hint of the usage. Almost every day I'm riding a bike. These gloves, Scorpion EXO, one of the best. I managed to get a date with this absolute beast. Just holds the line so flawlessly while you're cornering. Gives you complete confidence. Way more traffic now, so let's just ride within our limits. Subway. Everything on this bike is top notch. Seating posture is indeed super aggressive because this is a proper super sport machine. Steering this bike is a piece of cake, as I told you. Suspension is not too hard. It's something that you can manage, something that you can live with on a day-to-day basis. But it's the acceleration. Are brilliant. That gives you utmost confidence. Cars coming in from opposite side. This is the scary part. Coming completely out of their lane, almost on a head-on collision course with us. So that's why you need to keep a check on the speed. It's not about riding at breakneck speeds always. It's also about making sure you're alive to enjoy such beastly machines. So I choose only empty stretches which are almost abandoned or empty for the most part, and I know these places inside out, so I would never recommend you. I mean, these machines are so overly powerful for city conditions, exclusively meant to be enjoyed on the track. This is as good as it can get. Mighty thanks to my friend Vijay for lending me his bike. I hope you had a good time. This was just a casual vlog, no too much of bhashan about technical stuff or the specs or anything. Just me and the bike having a good time around. Today what I could show you was just a minute glimpse of the kind of monstrosity this motorcycle has on offer. It's an absolute beast. No wonder it's been dominating the world superbike scene. Not meant to be ridden at such speeds, but when you're on public roads, just gotta keep a check on your limits, behave yourself, act accountable and responsible for your life as well as others' lives, because it's not only your life, it's your family, and others' families' lives are at stake as well. So that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next vlog. Yeah, if you like what you've seen and want to see more, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the updates from Dino's World. Until then, it's Dino saying ciao, take care, God bless, and ride safe.